Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into another SK product. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, I did a review on the SK 6-inch long nose pliers. And now today we're going to be looking at the SK multi-use wire strippers. And they do have a couple different variations of this as well. I think it's a 7-in-1 is their other option. But this is the 4-in-1. This is an 8-inch pair. It is chrome vanadium steel with dipped handles, whereas a lot of their other pliers, you're only able to get them in this comfort grip design. These are available in just a standard dipped handle, which is what I prefer. I don't like bigger, bulkier handles. Not that these are bad. These aren't terrible at all, but I just prefer a dipped handle. Like I said, these are the 4-in-1, so you're going to have the stripping portion. You're going to have the cutting portion. Then you're going to have the gripping portion up front and the bolt cutting portion at the base. You're also going to have additional teeth below the pivot point for grabbing or holding nails or bending wires, things like that, pulling. So that is an additional feature as well. Overall, the quality looks nice and clean. It's got this black finish on it to protect it from rust. It's also got a lacquer finish on it to prevent rust for quite a while. So it is nice to see that on there. There you can see the laser engravings for the wire gauge, both solid and stranded. As far as solid, you're going to have 18 all the way up to 8 gauge, and then for the stranded 20 gauge all the way up to 10 gauge. And then the cutting portion is actually a large curved blade that's going to help with larger wires. Now obviously here I just have smaller stuff, but if you're working with larger, I don't know, maybe up to like 4 gauge, it's a pretty decent sized cutter for sure. And with that curved blade, you're able to get a good cut on those larger cables. And then up front, you can see it does have some pretty aggressive teeth, straight cut teeth. And we'll see how the stripping portion does. And then you have the bolt cutting portion for 832 and 632 bolts, which we'll be testing out. So just going ahead and cutting some wire. Easy to work with this stuff. Small gauge wire, cuts like butter. It is stranded, and it's probably about an 18 gauge. Strips very nicely, actually. That's actually pretty impressive. I was not expecting it to be that buttery smooth, but very impressive. Gripping, those nice aggressive large teeth, you're going to get a really good grip. Then you can also use the base for gripping as well, or just like the long nose, if you need to hold a nail, those larger teeth will hold it from pivoting. And then we'll just run this 832 bolt through here and we'll see how it does. Just like many others, this is a shear cutter, so there you can see it running out the back side. Run this nut up. Anytime I cut a bolt, I like to keep the nut on it, so when I get done with it, I can then remove the nut and it kind of straightens out those teeth or the threads. Nice clean cut as well. Very nice. That is just a quick look at the SK 4-in-1 wire strippers. And just like I mentioned in the previous video on the long nose pliers, SK used to be primarily a USA made tool brand, and I really liked SK because I grew up with them. They weren't like a tool truck brand where you had to be in a profession to really get access to Snap-on and Matco and Mac and Cornwell and all of that. SK was kind of like Channel Lock, where it was kind of more convenient for the weekend warriors, DIYers, and professionals all to be able to access more of their tools. So I really liked that about SK. But they were bought by Great Star a few years back. So now primarily their tools are made in China. So it's going to be better for those weekend warriors, DIYers looking for a more affordable tool while still getting a good quality tool. I'm not saying it's anywhere near the SK quality that it was before, but you're still getting a quality tool for those weekend warriors, DIYers at a decent price. and they've expanded the SK lineup. They have tons and tons of other styles of tools, but unfortunately we did lose a lot of the USA made stuff. But there are still some ratchets and sockets being made in the USA from SK. It's just limited amount, especially compared to what it was before. But overall, even though these are made in China, I still think they did a good job on them. It's got a nice clean finish. The stripping portion works really well. The cutter is nice just because of how large it is and curved, so you can really get a good bite and cut through wires, nice aggressive teeth, and they're pretty dang smooth as well. Now, as far as pricing, not on sale, these run like $35 or $36. I don't think it's worth it at that. You can catch these around $24 or $25 on sale. At that price point, I think they're worth it if you're looking for a design like this. So I just figured I'd mention it. I will have this link down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.